Good day, ladies and gentlemen in the house. Good day, MMM family. My name is Miss Nwachukwu. I provided a help of 18,000 naira on the month of May, and today on the month of June, I was paid, or I got a help of 31,000 naira from MMM. I love MMM so much. I can never depart from MMM. Long live MMM. Long live Mr. Sajay Mavrodi. I really thank God for MMM. MMM is a wonderful family. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, MMM is good. MMM is a fun thing to be with. It's a wonderful family. You can never talk of anything without talking about MMM. Thank you. Bye.